What if I told you there is a star so massive that if it replaced our sun, it would swallow Earth, Mars, and even Jupiter? This is not science fiction. This star actually exists. But here's the real mystery. According to physics, this star should not exist at all. Stars are massive balls of burning gas, held together by gravity. The bigger the star, the more unstable it becomes. At a certain size, stars collapse or explode. So logically, there should be a limit. But the universe had other plans. Astronomers discovered stars so large that they challenge everything we know. Some are hundreds to thousands of times larger than our sun. If placed at the center of our solar system, their surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. These stars burn fast, lose mass rapidly. Yet somehow, they survive. According to stellar physics, massive stars should collapse. Radiation pressure should tear them apart. Gravity should win, quickly. But this star is still there. Is our understanding incomplete? Or is the universe hiding something deeper? We don't see these stars directly. We measure light, temperature, distance, and motion. A tiny error can change everything. So the big question remains: is this truly the largest star? Or just the largest we can measure? The universe constantly reminds us of one thing. No matter how advanced our science becomes, there will always be mysteries beyond our reach. And somewhere out there, a star exists that should never have been born. Welcome to Mystery Beyond Earth. If you enjoy exploring the unknown, if you want to question what science thinks it knows, backhand index pointing I'd subscribe to Mystery Beyond Earth. For more space mysteries, cosmic giants, and the secrets hidden beyond our planet.